Vigorun Tech, one of the top and leading wireless mowing robot manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot intelligent machinery. They are widely used in lawn mowing, weed cutting and bush trimming, suitable for orchard, steep incline, front yard, garden, wasteland, villa lawn and so on. The remote control mower for slopes adopts C and EPA approved gasoline engine, adjustable blade height by remote control, 200 meters long distance remote control, travel speed up to 6 kilometers per hour. We are looking for distributors and dealers